Have you ever wanted to prioritize your sound quality in your Sony headphones? Here's how to do it in SONY ULT Wear headphones. Firstly, we have to power these headphones on. As you can see, they're working now. After that, we have to click on our app, Sony headphones app. As you can see, our phone is automatically connecting with our headphones, so we have to wait a second. It may take some time, so don't worry. As you can see, we're now connected with our device. We have to click Sound tab, scroll all the way down, and now you see Bluetooth connection quality. You can choose between prioritize sound quality or prioritize stable connection. If you click prioritize stable connection, you can your headphones are prioritized to not cut your connections with your phone. If you click prioritize sound quality, you can often have cuts within Bluetooth, but you won't have bad sound quality. That's it for today. Leave a comment, subscribe and like. Goodbye.